Hello children, welcome back to my class. This is your English teacher Miss Mahjabin. So let us continue our lesson. This is the textbook part of first lesson. First bit is reading A. Complete these sentences and circle the correct words. First one, Father Lion tells Kimba that lions dash, roar or squeak. Roar. Okay, very good. Second, Mother Lion is in dash, a tree or a cave? Yes, very good. A cave. Third one, Zira dash when she hears Kimba squeak. Smiles or cries? Smiles. Zira smiles, right? Next, fourth one, Little Mouse tells Kimba to dash, try again or run away? Try again. Yes. Fifth one. The lion family is dash to hear Kimba roar. So what will be the family doing at the time when they hear Kimba roar? Yes, they felt very happy, right? So happy. Yes. Now come for the second bit. Answer these questions and tell your teacher the answers. So first one, where does Kimba live? Come on children, answer me this question. Where does Kimba live? Yes, very good. Kimba lives in the forest. Okay, second question. What noise does Kimba make? Yes, Kimba squeaks. Third one. Why does Kimba run away? Yes, because he was sad. S-A-D, sad. Fourth one. Roar, you can do it. Who said this to Kimba and how does she help him? Little Mouse said this to Kimba. How does she help him? She teaches him to roar. Yes. Fifth one. How does Kimba's family feel when they hear him roar? They felt very happy, isn't it or not? Yes. Now see bit, think and answer. Do you think Little Mouse is kind? Yes. Little Mouse is very kind. Why do you think so? Because she is helping him. Right? Okay. Then D bit, know your values. Your friend has lost her favorite toy. She is very sad. Now one of your friend has lost her favorite toy and now she is very sad. Now what you will do? Here are two options for you. Help her look for the toy or keep playing with your toy. What you will do? Yes, very good. You should help your friend in searching of her toy. You should not play with your toy, isn't it or not? Yes, so that moral of this one is we must help others. Okay, now let's come for the grammar part. Look at these words and pictures. This is a lion. This one, a mouse, an egg, an owl. So, can you see here? I am using a and an. Now let us see. We use a and an with a naming word to show that there is only one of something. So before the naming word, we are using here a and we are using here an. So we use a and an with a naming word. For example, a bucket, an orange. Now when do we use an and when do we use a? We use an with the words that begin with the sounds, that is A, E, I, O and U. Now orange, O, here vowel sound, orange, A. So we are using an here. We use A with the words that begin with all other sounds. Apart from vowel sounds, remaining consonant sounds we will be using A. Suppose B, B, bucket. We are using A here. Now, see one example here. Articles A and an. These two are indefinite article. What is the function of A? A is used for general nouns. Suppose the consonant sounds are B, C, D. Then comes F G H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y and Z. So these are nothing but consonants. So we used these consonants A with nouns that begin with the consonants. A will be using with the nouns that begin with the consonants. Okay. Whereas and when we have to use, when A, E, I, O, U sound comes, at the time we have to use an. Okay children. Now did you understand? Now answer this bit. A bit. Choose A or an to go with the word and circle the correct word. Here A or an goat. Already first one he has done. A goat, because G is a consonant sound. So that's why we are using A here. Second one, a or an tree. Tree, T is a consonant sound. So we have to use a tree. Third, a umbrella or an umbrella. Here U is a vowel sound here. Umbrella. And we have to use here. Fourth one, can you say me? Yes, very good. A car. Here, fifth one, a or an orange. Here, O sound. O, orange. An orange. Sixth one, a or an ant. An ant, because A, vowel sound, ant. B bit. Take the correct word to complete these sentences. First one already he has done. Marina has a red bicycle. Here red, R is a consonant sound. Okay, red. Second, Sarah has dash egg for breakfast. An egg. Yes, very good. Third one, Raj eats dash ice cream. Here I is a vowel. And the vowel sound, ice cream. So you have to use an ice cream. Fourth one, I have dash banana. A banana and dash apple every morning. An apple. Okay. Fifth one, there is dash picture. A picture of dash mountain on the wall. Now what we have to come? A mountain. Okay. Now children, this is the homework for you. Look at these boxes. Draw one thing that goes with A and one thing that goes with an. Here the word picture you have to draw that sounds a consonant. For example, a line is a consonant sound, line. So we are using A. In the same way you have to draw the picture related to consonant sound. Here the picture you have to draw that sounds as vowel sound picture you have to draw here. Only one picture, one picture. Okay, that is the homework for you. Draw neatly. Next, using words. Look at these pictures and say the words aloud. Then color the names of the baby animals. Use the same color that is used for the big animals. Okay, now you have to see the picture and you have to say the words loudly. Suppose first one, what is this? Line. Repeat after me children. Line, L-I-O-N, line. Next, cow, C-O-W, cow. Next, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Next, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Next, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Next, horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Calf, C-A-L-F, calf. It's not calf. L will be silent here. Calf. Next, foal, F-O-A-L, foal. Next, fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn. Lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. Next, C-U-B, cub, cub, cub. Okay, so you have to color the baby animal names. See, as you can see here, these names are colored, right? So duck, baby name is duckling. So you have to match the same color, children. Okay. So that's all for today. The remaining bits will be in the next video. Till the time, you do your work. Practice well. Take care. Bye-bye.